What's the meaning of baby oil? Baby oil. Baby oil.
Baby oil. Baby oil. Baby oil is a type of mineral oil that is commonly used to moisturize and protect infants' delicate skin. It is also used by adults as a lubricant for various purposes, such as during massages or sexual activity. Baby oil is typically made from a mixture of mineral oil and fragrance, although some brands may use additional ingredients. It is important to note that while baby oil may be safe for external use on adult skin, it should not be ingested and should not be used with condoms as it can cause them to break down.